Good afternoon. I'm Betty Jones with Jackson Public Schools Purchasing Department, and I have Mr. Michael McBride with our Facilities and Operations Department. We're here to open up renovations to Green Elementary School, bid number 3125 at 2:00 p.m. In the absence of the architect, Mr. Ely Gadhardy is architects. We're going to proceed with the bid opening. At this time, we received no electronic bids. We have one paper bid that was submitted, and Mr. McBride is going to facilitate the opening of it. Mr. McBride?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This bid is from Thrash Commercial Contractors of Brandon, Mississippi. Okay, their proposal form. It's complete and signed. Their contractor's certificate of responsibility number, Mississippi, is 10117-MC. They are a local contractor licensed in the city of Jackson. Their bid surety is provided by Arch Insurance Company. They are a Mississippi S Corporation. Contractor is a resident contractor. Contractor acknowledges the receipt of addenda 1, 2, 3, and 4. I don't know if we have a contract time on our bid forms usually, on our bid tab, but they agreed that the contract will be substantially complete by August 3rd, 2020. Of course, this would have to be taken under advisement, sure that we're moving forward with this project under the present circumstances. The base bid is $574,000. $574,000. Alternate number 1, and these are all additive alternates, is $16,000. Alternate number 2 is $41,000. Alternate number 3 is $31,000. Alternate number 3A is $24,000. Alternate number 4 is $68,000. Alternate number 5 is $13,000. Alternate number 6 is $17,000. Alternate number 7 is $16,000. Alternate number 8 is $4,000. Alternate number 9 was removed by addendum from the bid. And alternate number 10 is $16,000. Alternate number 10A is $31,000. Alternate number 11 is $19,000. That is the extent of the pricing for this bid. They have included their State of Mississippi Board of Contractors commercial license with their certificate of responsibility. At this time, having received no other bids on this project, we would have to consult with the architect and take this under advisement for future action by the JPS board.
Correct. At this time, we would like to thank you all and have a safe and wonderful afternoon.